Indus Valley Civilization. Indus Valley Civilization, also called Indus Valley Civilization or Harappan Civilization, the earliest known urban culture of Indian subcontinent. The Indus Valley Civilization was established around 3300 BCE. This was also called Harappan Civilization after the first city to be excavated was Harappa, Punjab, Pakistan. Pre-Harappan civilization has been found at Mehergarh, Pakistan, which shows the first evidence of cotton cultivation. Mehergarh. It extended from Suktajandor in Balochistan. To the west, in the west to Alamgirpur, western UP in the east, and from Manda in Jammu in the north to the Daimabad, Ahmednagar in Maharashtra in the south. Some Indus Valley sites have also been found as far as Afghanistan and Turkmenistan. Civilization was first discovered during an excavation campaign. Civilization was first discovered during an excavation campaign under Sir John Marshall in 1921-22 at Harappa, following the discovery of seals by J. Fleet. Discovery of seals. Harappan ruins were discovered by Marshall, Rai Bahadur, Dayaram Sahani, and Madhav Sarup Vatsa. Mohenjo-daro ruins were excavated first time by R.D. Banerjee and Mackay and Marshall. Indus Valley Civilization important sites in India: Kalibangan, Rajasthan; Lothal and Dholavira, Rangpur; Surkotada, Gujarat; Banawali, Haryana; Ropar in Punjab. In Pakistan, Harappa on the river Ravi; Mohenjo-daro on the river Indus in the Sindh; and Channu-daro in Sindh. So, Harappa, Dayaram Sayani, 1921, on the banks of the Ravi River in Pakistan. Important findings: granaries and bullock carts. Mohenjo-daro, Mound of Dead. R.D. Banerjee, 1922, on the banks of Indus in Pakistan. Great Bath, bronze dancing girl. Seal of Pashupatinath, statue of bearded man. Suktajandor, in 1929, by Steen, on the banks of Das River, Pakistan. Trade point between Harappa and Babylonian civilization. Channu-daro was discovered by N.G. Majumdar in 1931. Sindh, on the banks of the river Indus. Bead maker's shop. And Kalibangan goes in 1953. Rajasthan, on the banks of the river Ghaggar. Fire altars, camel bones, and wooden plough. Lothal, R. Rao in 1954. Gujarat, in Bhogava River. Lothal was founded by R. Rao in 1954. River Bhogava River, first man-made port. Lothal. Dockyard, we have dockyard. Rice husk, chess playing, fire altars. Surkotada in Gujarat, bones of horses and beads. Banawali is in Haryana, R.S. Bisht, beads and barley. Dholavira, J.O. Joshi, Gujarat, in the run of Kutch. Water harnessing systems, water reservoir, so on, we can see in the Dholavira. City architecture. The Harappan culture was distinguished by its system of town planning. It followed the grid system. Roads were well cut, dividing the town into large rectangular or square blocks. The use of burnt bricks in the Harappan sites is remarkable because in the contemporary buildings of Egypt, many dried bricks were used. Towns were divided into two parts: citadel and lower town, inhabited by the common people. Most cities had great bath. There were also granaries, two-storied houses made of burnt bricks, closed drainage lines, excellent stormwater techniques, wastewater management, weights for measurement, toys and pots. Agriculture was the most important occupation. The Indus Valley people were well acquainted with the use of both cotton and wool. The Indus Valley people were well acquainted with the use of both cotton and wool. Indus people were the first who produced cotton, which Greeks termed as Sindon, derived from Sindh. Excavations have revealed plough fields at Kalibangan, on which multiple cropping was practiced. They produced wheat and barley on large scale. The other crops grown were pulses, cereals, cotton, dates, melons, pea, sesame, mustard. Domestication of animals. Stock breeding was important in Indus culture. Sheep, goats, dogs, humped cattle, buffalo, and elephants were certainly domesticated. If you look at the religion, a seal which was named Pashupati seal had been excavated, and it shows an image of three-eyed figure. Marshall believed this to be an early form of Lord Shiva. There was Proto Shiva. There was prevalence of Mother Goddess Matri Devi or Shakti, known through figurines, and also evidences of prevalence of Yoni, female sex organ worship. People of the Indus region also worshipped trees and animals. People of the Indus region worshipped trees and animals. Most important of them is one-horned unicorn, which may be identified with a rhino, and the next important was humped bull. Amulets have also been found in large numbers. Trade. A large number of seals have been discovered, which is evidence of the existence of trade. Harappan civilization had trading relations with other civilizations including the Oman and Mesopotamia. There have been a mention of Harappan civilization in Mesopotamian text, where it has been referred as Melua, or known as seafarers, Melua, and are known as seafarers. Shipping dock at Lothal supports the concept that there had been a sea trade route. So Mesopotamia and Oman. Mesopotamia text Melua, also known as seafarers. Crafts. Harappan were well acquainted with the manufacturing and the use of bronze. Textiles, impressions have also been found on the several objects. The Harappans practiced boat making, bead making, seal making. Terracotta manufacture was also an important craft. Goldsmiths made jewelry of silver, gold, and precious stones. The potter's wheel was in full use, and the Harappans produced their own characteristic pottery. That is, the goldsmiths made jewelry of silver, gold, and precious stones. Potter's wheel was in full use, and the Harappans produced their own characteristic pottery, which was glossy and shining. Some important facts like in Mohenjo-daro, big public bath, great bath has been found. Dholavira is the only site of the civilization where the city was divided into three parts. Channu-daro was the only city without a citadel. Mohenjo-daro is situated on the right bank of Indus. Channu-daro lies on the left bank of the Indus, about 130 km south of Mohenjo-daro. Kalibangan was at the banks of river Ghaggar, which dried up centuries ago. Lothal is at the head of the Gulf of Cambay. Banawali, Haryana, was situated on the banks of now extinct Saraswati River. Surkotada is at the head of Run of Kutch. Dholavira excavated is an Kutch district. Dholavira, Gujarat, excavated in the Kutch district. Origin of swastika symbol can be traced to the Indus Valley civilization. Weights and measures of accuracy existed in the Harappan culture found at Lothal. The weights were made of limestone, steatite, etc., and were generally cubical in shape. That is, weights were made of limestone, steatite, and were generally cubical in shape. People of this civilization had developed their own kind of weighing and measurement systems, which was the multiple of 16. Rangpur, Somanath, and Balakot. Functioned as seaports. Suktajendor and Sutkako functioned as outlets. Pictographic script has not been deciphered, written from left to right to left in the first line and left to right in the second line. This style is called Bastrophodon. Decline of Indus Valley civilization. The reason behind the sudden end of Harappan civilization is difficult to ascertain. There are a number of theories trying to explain the end. Regular floods destroyed the area and wiped the civilization, as told given by Marshall, S.R. Rao, and Mickey. According to the Aurel Strain and Ian Ghosh, Drying up of rivers due to the climate change ended the civilization. According to the KVR Kennedy, natural calamities like earthquakes and epidemics wiped out the civilization. Aryan invaders who destroyed the civilization as per Aryan invaders destroyed the civilization as per the Stuart, Pigot, and Gordon Childe. Encroachment of the surrounding deserts, rendering the infertile area. Encroachment of the surrounding desert, rendering the infertile area as per the Walter Fair Service. So these are the all about the Indus Valley civilization.